Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Football game sound nice in the park. I have to go watch a little of this game. Ooh,
Ross, why you look so vexed? Outside your chair for? Uno look panda brother. Look how him dress. Look pan him shirt. Like him out for a chop bees. Look how him pants tight. He must have suffocate.
Him look like a nerd. You not have a woman for dress up before you come around.
And it look like him taking measurement in a water. Him all in a slippers. A country boy.
But not only that, will you ever hear people wear slippers and socks together? By the way, I will let him in the park. At least him slippers match him pants though.
Me shame for you cause me a woman and me now wear pink pants.
Them for ban people like him for coming to the park, look so.
Me case and leave the park before fashion police lock you up.
From the last time them shame me in this park, this is the first time I am coming back. I'm just normal this time.
People, see the same country brother here when I know nothing about style.